This is Ben and Dylan with Tucson Future Classics here to show you stock number 25108A. This is our 2014 Nissan Versa S with a 5-speed manual transmission. This car has 0 accidents reported on Carfax and has had consistent maintenance records, including oil changes. And I'll leave it to Dylan to start pointing out some of the cosmetic flaws on this vehicle to give you a clear view of what it looks like.
All right, everybody. So this, being a commuter car, is a bit of a proven beast. We've got a few marks from bugs all the way up front, a little bit of etching, and some rock chips.
And over here on the side, this vehicle has almost new tires. There's lots of tread on these Coopers and new hubcaps with 0 curb rash.
We've got just a few marks here on the side, some light scuffing, and a few marks from, appears a couple of light battles with shopping carts and the like, but after just under 130,000 miles, she is looking quite good.
Here at the rear, there's a few more scrapes, including some at the bottom of the bumper. Looks pretty minor, not from an accident. Some scratches at the edge of the trunk lid. Driver's side looks better than the passenger side. There's not a whole lot of damage over here to report. A couple dents on the hood. Moving on to the interior, this Versa has a black cloth interior in great condition. As you might notice, this car has 0 options. Has crank windows, manual door locks, and manual mirrors. Seats are also manual, of course. There's no rips or tears or stains to be seen on these seats. Stepping inside. There's no lights to be seen on the dashboard. The mileage is 129,405. A little bit of light scuffing on this plastic for the gauge cluster. This is very much a budget car. It's going to be very reliable for you and your family. Steering wheel is a little bit worn just from the years of use. There's no buttons to report on here. Here in the center, you have a radio with AM, FM, and a CD player and auxiliary. You have ice cold air conditioning. Some cup holders, gear shifter for that 5-speed transmission, which this is the one you want. You don't want one of these cars with the automatic. They're just not very reliable. But when you have this 5-speed, it's a very good car. It's not too much up here. Manual mirror, a couple sun visors with extensions. Here in the back seat, you'll find that there's plenty of room. I'm 6 feet tall. This is my normal driving position. And here's Dylan, who is also 6 feet tall, sitting very comfortably in this rear seat. Don't mind the reach, Dylan.
You're good.
There's the back seat. There's no wear back here to be reported. Everything's in good shape. Not too many amenities, but it's a good car. It's cheap. To open the trunk on the Versa, you do need to use the key that comes with the vehicle. There is no interior latch. Greeted by a very cavernous trunk, which is surprising for the size of vehicle. Underneath this floor, you have a full-size spare tire, as well as your jack, and more storage if you need it.
All right, so up front here in the Versa, we have a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, simple as can be, manual transmission, belts on this are fresh, no leaks, no drips. It's been recently serviced, and this is the ethos of the entire car. Simple and reliable. Everything you need, nothing you don't. The battery is easily accessible. Oil dipstick. All of your reservoirs for brake fluid, washer fluid. Everything is easy to look at, to work on, and touch. You can see and know everything you need to under this hood. All right, and for less than $5 $100,000, this 2014 Sentra is the perfect, simple commuter car, first car, or a car for anybody who has had bad luck with modern electronics and just wants to go back to the simple, pure basics. Point A to point B, simple, easy, painless.
If you're interested in more pictures of this car, want more information, or want to check out more of our inventory, check out our website, TucsonFutureClassics.com. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, we are appointment only. Please call or text the dealership at 520-268-6244.